Hi, let's see one of the question related to indexing. Suppose we have an ordered file of 30,000 records on a disk with a block size of 1024 bytes, meaning that total number of records are here 30,000 and block size they have given as 1024 bytes, right? And records are of fixed and are of unspanned of size 100 bytes, meaning that record size is also going to be a fixed one which is of size 100 bytes and it is of type unspanned. You know the meaning of all this, fixed and unspanned, all those things. Suppose we have created a secondary index, this is important, secondary index on the key field of the file of size 9 bytes, meaning that they have given clearly mentioned as key size is 9 bytes and a block pointer of size 6 bytes. So block pointer size they have given as 6 bytes. Then find the average number of block access to search a record using with indexing, meaning that you need to find the number of block access that are going to be happen in order to search a record in the data file, right? So now what you are going to do, you need to find out, you need to know the concept of first secondary indexing, right? In secondary indexing you are going to have a data file, here you are going to have many kind of candidate keys and they may be in unsorted order, right? Yes, when they are unsorted order, in the next level you are going to have one kind of a key which they can be arranged in the form of sorted, right? Then according to the concept of secondary indexing, number of index records are going to be how many? Number of index records are going to be number of data records, right? So total here now 30,000 records are there, right? But if I am going to have 30,000 records, in each block how many records are going to be stored? In each block 1024 bytes by 9 plus 6 which is 15, right? So 1024 by 15 which is approximately approximately 68.26 around, right? If it is 68.26, I cannot able to place 68.26 as they are unspanned. I can able to place only maximum of 68 records per block, right? If it is 68 records per block, total 30,000 records need to store. How many blocks are required? 30,000 by 68, which is approximately 441.17 around, right? Which is going to be again a seal, right? So you need to have the 442 blocks, right? Yes. So to access your data, you need to search in the 442 block, right? On this, can I apply bind search algorithm? Yes. Log 442 base 2, and in order to access the data from the disk of one particular block, you require to have a constant time, that is +1. So you can able to calculate this one, right? Log 442 base 2 +1, which is around, I think 2 power 9 is 512, so which is 8 point something, right? 8 point something means it should be a floor, so 9 plus 1, so total 10 block accesses are required in order to perform to search a particular record, right? Yes. So this is the way you can able to solve the question, right? So again I have gone through very fast here in this particular question, as I am thinking that you have know the knowledge already, right? If you want to have the clear idea, you can go through the earlier concepts and the problems. Thank you.